All right, I know there's a lot of FUD out there in the crypto land. You have, Bitcoin declining from 32 is roughly 27 now over the last several weeks. Most recent FUD, you have Gary Gensler of the SEC suing not only Binance but Coinbase as well. But despite the FUD, development still occurs, adoption still is occurring, and I want to go over an article I found on You Today. This is Solana sees 86% monthly growth in active network addresses. So, according to on-chain analytics firm Nansen, highlighted remarkable growth in active addresses. So, this is not just Solana. Nansen says that May was an incredible month for growth in crypto. It occurred as active addresses hit a new all-time high in May. So we see Solana leading the pack, adding 9.5 million new addresses. You have BNB at 12.4. You have Ethereum at 4.7. Optimism at a million. Tron at 12.1. Solana led the pack with an 86% increase in active addresses, coming in at 9.5%, so million. So it led the pack in terms of percent increase. But in terms of just absolute figures, that goes to Binance. In a landmark lawsuit against Binance and Coinbase, the SEC named Solana and 12 other tokens as unregistered securities. The Solana Foundation has now responded to the SEC allegations about 3 days later. According to a spokesman, they told Fortune, Solana Foundation strongly believes the Solana is not a security. Oh, that's not a lot of detail. So I'll try to find more detail as to why Solana thinks that their token is not a security. This has come from CoinDesk. And excuse me. Again, the Solana Foundation strongly believes that Sol is not a security. The Solana Foundation told CoinDesk in a statement. Sol is a native token to Solana's blockchain and robust open source community-based software project that relies on decentralized users and developer engagement to expand and evolve. At Solana's Thursday's Hacker House event in New York City, New York has appeared to the Solana community wasn't overly concerned with the change regulatory nuances. I don't think any of the developers give a developer told CoinDesk at the Hacker House on Thursday. So being a security doesn't really affect anyone building on top of Solana. All right, so there you have it. I mean, again, not a lot of detail. The sentiment from the community doesn't seem concerned. However, let's go to the charts. And price is telling us a different story. Now, this is the weekly chart. I did have this resistance at 26 some videos ago. Again, the FUD in the crypto space is causing everything to go down, including Solana, despite the community's nonchalant attitude towards whether Sol is a security or not. Nevertheless, I do anticipate continued downside momentum. However, the best levels to potentially go long or to start dollar cost averaging in is, let's look at these daily buy levels a bit better on the daily chart. And you can see that we had a daily buyers level form at $16 back in January. Right, you had a leg in, some basing candles, and a strong move higher on decent volume. So when price came back in, it penetrated the zone 50% and then reacted. Now, again, I do anticipate more downside momentum, and I also anticipate that if and when price gets to the zone again, it's going to penetrate the zone further. Excuse me. So you want to look for potentially go long or dollar cost averaging in below 16. I think the better level to get long, and I don't know if price is going to get down here, is this buyer's level at 1250. Again, you had a leg and candle basing and a strong move higher. So there's two ways to play this. If you want to get into Solana for the longer term, if price declines roughly $2.50 more, start dollar cost averaging. I think anything below really anything below 20 is it's getting at a discount, right? Relative to where prices were a couple of years ago when price hit 240, which is why I'm saying anything really below 20 is a discount. Again, relative, all relative speaking, right? Um, I do think you'll have time to buy Solana a little cheaper. The news has to flush out a bit. The markets have to digest what this may mean with Gary Gensler going after Binance and Coinbase. I'll actually put alert here. And maybe when price gets to that level, I will put out another video on Solana. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.